Dear friend, you await me for 2 weeks. In last 2 weeks, we were busy in organizing the 4th International Bioscience Conference. Number of the presentation, oral and poster by different peoples around the world. So after 2 weeks, we are in field to get the knowledge about the medicinal plant and plant diversity once again. Today in this episode, I give you a very unique information about a unique medicinal plant. This plant is commonly known as mullein or donkey's ear. Here you see the shape of the leaves just like the ears of donkey. So it is called as the donkey's ear. It is also known as mullein. Botanically, this plant is called as Verbascum thapsus. It belongs to family Saccharophylariaceae. It is commonly distributed in United States, Europe, United Kingdom, Southeast Asia, tropical world and subtropical world. From habit point of view, this plant is erect. The leaves are carline, that is directly rise from the stem, where the leaves are sessile, that is without petiole. Here you see the rough surface of the leaves, that is a thick leaves, and it is the leaves that stored water during the arid and semi-arid condition. It is the peduncle that bears a yellowish color flowers of mullein. Mullein is one of the important medicinal plants that is used in 1800 in United Kingdom, United States and Europe. This plant is commonly used for the treatment of tuberculosis in Europe, United Kingdom and United States. Medicinally, the leaves and the flowers of mulleins are used for a number of pulmonary diseases, that is asthma, cough, bronchitis, while it is also used for inflammation, while the oil obtained from the flowers of this plant is commonly used for the earache, that is the infections of ear. It is commonly practiced by the health practitioner in Europe, United Kingdom, in Pakistan, India and tropical world, that the mullein drops are used for the ear infection. It is a natural antibiotics, that is the oil obtained from the flowers of this plant. Here you see the leaves. The fresh and dried leaves are commonly used for inflammatory diseases. It is also used for asthma, diarrhea, cough and bronchitis. The flowers are used to extract the oil. This oil is extracted by two processes, that is the hot process by boiling water or a cold pressing process. The extraction of the flowers yield the oil. The flower oil is commonly marketed on a medical stores, health stores in United States, and this oil is used for ear infection. From phytochemical point of view, this plant contains a number of active ingredients. The saponins, which are anti-tumor activities. The saponins are anti-inflammatory and pain relieving. It is also richest in flavonoids, rich antioxidants and phenylethalanoids and iridoids. These compounds have anti-inflammatory activities and they are also used as a natural antibiotics. Mullein is one of the strong antiviral medicinal plant. It is also used for herpes. It is also used for influenza A type. In developed world and advanced countries, the mullein is available in market in the form of tea, in the form of extract, in the form of dried flowers and leaves, and the mullein oil and mullein drops. From precautionary point of view, the patients who have allergies, so they use this plant with precautions because sometimes it causes irritation to the skin for ear infection. Before use, you must discuss with your physician or health practitioner. Botanically, Verbascum thapsus, or commonly it is called as mullein or donkey's ears, are erect biennial herb that contain the leaves which are carline, that directly rise from the stem, and they are sessile. While the flowers are yellowish in color, they are produced in a vertical and a bunch manner. The seeds of Verbascum thapsus or mulleins are sometimes considered to be insecticidal, that they are used for the fish poison.